Hello Skinceuticals, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Jenny. I'm also known as Skinceuticals, and I share my life experiences through my vlogs, which will include both makeup and skincare. However, in this video, I'll be talking about how I get rid of skin texture, hyperpigmentation, and how I prevent wrinkles with this one ingredient, vitamin C. One of the most common questions I get from my friends, and including friends that aren't even into skincare, is that whether or not they should start using vitamin C and what is the best vitamin C serum for them. Well, the answer isn't so simple, which I'll explain in this video. So I'll first be talking about what is vitamin C, the benefits of using vitamin C serum, whether or not using vitamin C is right for you. And then I'll also be sharing some recommendations of all the vitamin C serums I have used and whether or not it's right for you. So let's get to it. So what is vitamin C? Vitamin C also goes by the name of L-ascorbic acid. And no, it's not the acid that would burn off your skin or as an exfoliant. Vitamin C is an antioxidant, meaning it fights harmful free radicals that come in contact with your skin from external sources like air pollution, or from inside the body as a result of normal processes like your metabolism. Free radicals can damage the skin, and applying topical vitamin C serum can combat free radicals and may improve the skin's overall appearance. Vitamin C is perhaps the most potent antioxidant that you can have. It blocks abnormal production of hyperpigmentation to even skin tone and fade dark spots. And while it's best known for brightening benefits, it also has its firming benefits as well. Vitamin C serums are best effective at a pH of 2.5 to 3.5. This pH level works by helping vitamin C penetrate the skin and work as an antioxidant. Healthy skin pH is around 4 to 7. Too much vitamin C or too high of a percentage of vitamin C can irritate the skin, and especially if you have sensitive skin. So it's best that you find the correct vitamin C serum that's suitable for your skin type. So is vitamin C right for you? The people I would suggest using vitamin C serum is those who already have a consistent skincare routine to begin with. Say a consistent skincare routine is that you are using a cleanser, a moisturizer, and of course a sunscreen during the day. Then after having a consistent skincare routine, and if you have additional skincare concerns that you would like to address, like hyperpigmentation, then yeah, I would suggest you to use a skincare serum. Those who have sensitive skin, like myself, I like to keep one active per skincare routine. For example, if I'm using a vitamin C serum during the day, then I wouldn't be using any other exfoliants like AHA or BHAs, just because I know that having too much actives in one skincare routine can irritate my skin. But never skip using sunscreen. Using a vitamin C serum and sunscreen is a must. The most potent forms of vitamin C is very vulnerable to light exposure. Broad spectrum UVA and UVB coverage worn in conjunction with the ingredient a must. The good news is that if you're using a vitamin C right underneath a sunscreen, the vitamin C actually provides further protection of your skin. Vitamin C serum requires the right acidity to work on your skin. Vitamin C serum needs to be around the pH 2.5 to 3.5 to stay effective. One way you can make sure vitamin C stays at the right pH from the bottle to your face is to always apply it to dry skin. Applying vitamin C serum to skin that's still wet from water or your toner can raise the pH, making your vitamin C less effective. Vitamin C can be used during the AM or PM routines. That way it can increase its efficacy. Am I saying it right? And around the clock effect. So which products of vitamin C serums do I recommend? Well, the catch is that you only get the benefits of vitamin C if it's in a stable formulation and it's actually penetrated into the skin. And as previously mentioned, L-ascorbic acid is only stable at a certain pH and at a low pH, which can be an irritant for a large population, especially those who have sensitive skin. And 2 is susceptible to oxidation and is highly photosensitive. So a great deal of effort has been put in by a lot of research and development teams of different companies to develop an ascorbic acid derivative for the purpose of topical application. Such derivatives need to ensure the stabilization of the molecule from oxidation and also overcome the challenges of skin penetration. So these derivatives need to be converted to L-ascorbic acid, the active form of vitamin C, in order to become effective. So here are some vitamin C serums that I really love and I've used in the past, and I do want to show you guys which one they are. So I've chosen 4 different types of vitamin C serums, and please note I do have dry sensitive skin. So those who have different skin types may or may not agree with my choices. So of the 4 vitamin C serums I have chosen, 2 of them are Western skincare, 2 of them are Korean skincare that is a lot more affordable. So first up, this is a beginner's vitamin C serum. This is the Klair's freshly juiced vitamin drop. This contains 5% vitamin C, and this serum is gentle enough for sensitive skin. It has quite an oily texture, so it adds some moisturizing benefits to my dry skin. And I've noticed my complexion has gotten so much brighter. I had so many compliments on how bright and bouncy my skin looks. I would recommend this to start off with if you have sensitive skin. However, if you're feeling a little bit more fancy and you want to invest in your skincare, then you can try these Skinceuticals CE Ferulic. The CE Ferulic is the closest to the Klair's. The percentage of vitamin C, however, does increase to 15%. CE Ferulic is designed for normal to dry skin and is a little bit thicker in consistency than the other Skinceuticals vitamin C serum. So this vitamin C serum combines both vitamin C and E and also ferulic acid. And vitamin C and E are both antioxidants and support each other. And adding ferulic acid, which is another antioxidant, which boosts and stabilizes both vitamin C and vitamin E in fighting free radical damage and collagen production. This did a lot to reduce my hyperpigmentation of my acne scars, especially like on my chin area, which I still get from time to time. I do use this a lot during the colder months just because it's a little bit thicker in consistency. However, in the warmer months, I would be using the Phloretin CF. So this vitamin C serum is combined with Phloretin, an ingredient that helps to improve skin cell regeneration, to improve the appearance of skin discoloration and uneven skin tone. I found this better to use during the warmer months when the sun is out and I'm getting a lot more hyperpigmentation or freckles just from the sun. And I always get compliments on how bright and bouncy my skin looks whenever I use this. The last serum out of the 4 that I just talked about, this is the Jumiso All Day Vitamin C. This is also another beginner's vitamin C serum that uses a vitamin C derivative, as well as many other filler ingredients like niacinamide, Bactrol for more brightening effects, and hyaluronic acid and panthenol for hydrating benefits. The vitamin C serum is super gentle on skin and the texture feels so lightweight. For a vitamin C serum that is less than $20, this is a steal. I hope this video helps you and I hope you consider using vitamin C serum in your skincare routine. Let me know in the comments below which vitamin C serums have worked for you or have not. And I'll see you next time. Bye!